Okay, I've got my tomatillos all chopped up, and I just checked on my chicken to make sure that it's still simmering at a good pace. And it is, it's almost ready. So I'm going to continue on with my salsa, and I'm going to do this by starting with my white onion. And we're going to do, again, a rough chop on this. I'm going to start by removing either end of the onion. And today I'm using a white onion, but if you only have red or yellow available, then that's fine. You can use any of those as well. White tend to be a little bit stronger, a little bit more pungent, and with this sauce we want a really strong flavor, so that's why I went with white today. And I'm just going to cut it here in half and then cut it in half again, so I've got these nice big chunks. And I'm going to break that up into my salsa bowl here. And we're going to get the other side ready and do the same thing. You want to make sure that you remove all of the skin. The skin's inedible, and even if you boil it, it's still going to have a really strong fibrous taste in your sauce. So you want to keep that in mind and make sure that you do remove all of that skin. All right, so there's our onions. The last thing that we're going to add to our salsa is a few cloves of garlic. And depending on the size of cloves, I've got some small ones here. So let's just say it'll be about we'll say 3 large cloves or 5 to 6 mini cloves. And I'm just going to do a very rough chop on these. Again, we're going to blend this up, so I just want a little chop there. Perfect. And that is about half of the ingredients for this salsa.